Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to do a video on the miles per gallon I'm getting in my Jeep. This is the 4-liter straight 6. I do have a muffler delete, and then I'm running 35-inch Goodyear Wrangler MTR tires. So let me know in the comments what you guys think my Jeep's getting. I'm kind of curious to see what you guys think I'm getting as far as miles per gallon. So if you guys all commented down, we're going to do a little bit of, I guess, a number crunching. My starting miles were, if we go here, so my starting miles when I filled up was 15,797, and I just filled up at 15,880. So we'll take 15,880, and then we'll subtract, what was that first number? Of course I forget, but all right, 15,797. Minus 15,797. All right, so we drove 83 miles. And then if we look at how many gallons I just put in, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I put it, no, so that was the first one. This is the one. So I put in 3.955 gallons. So we're going to take 83 miles divided by 3.955. All right, so I'm actually getting 20.98 miles per gallon, so 21 miles per gallon, which I was very shocked. Now, granted, this is, I was driving a lot on the freeway today, so this is probably my best mileage I'll probably get, but there was a mix of, regular roads, 45 miles an hour, 35, not a lot of like stop and go city stuff. So my guess is my actual city mileage is obviously lower than this, but I was surprised that I even got this on the freeway. I was expecting around 15, 14, 15, but on the freeway we're getting almost 21, which I think is pretty awesome. So I was very happy with that. So yeah, and like I said, we got stock engine, stock air intake, but I do have the muffler delete, and maybe that helps with airflow. So that could be it, or just letting the engine breathe better. So yeah, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't, a thumbs down. Make sure you're subscribed for more Jeep videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.